Hi guys, welcome to a quick review of transforming formulas. So the basic concepts you guys need to know are inverse operations. So it's just the inverse of addition is subtraction, the inverse of subtraction is addition, the inverse of division is multiplication, the inverse of multiplication is division. Like terms are anything with the same variable on it. If it doesn't have the same variable, we can't add it or subtract it together. Then solving multi-step equations, drawing your line down, doing the same thing to both sides. So we'll start with an easy one. We have example 1 up here. It's d equals rt, and we want to solve for r. So we want to draw our line down the equal sign, and we need to get r by itself. So we look what operation is happening between the r and the t, multiplication. So we have to use the inverse of that, which is division. We have to divide on both sides, and we have to divide by the same thing. We have to divide by whatever is with r. So we divide by t on both sides. The t's cross out over here, and we're left with r equals d over t, and there's your final answer. Example 2 has a few more steps. We want to solve for x. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get rid of anything that's adding or subtracting. So we'll draw a line down, and we see mx plus b. So we have a b being added. The inverse of that is subtraction, so I'm going to subtract b from both sides. Y and b are not like terms, so I'm just going to write y minus b equals mx. I can't combine those, but now I can get my x by itself. Now look, m is being multiplied to x, so I'm going to use the inverse of division. Divide by m, that's gone. I divide by m over here. And notice I put the division bar under y minus b, not just y, it's under the whole thing on that side. So my final answer is x equals y minus b over m. And that's my final answer. For example 3, we're solving for a. So we have p equals ab plus lo. So we need to draw a line down the middle. We're solving for a. We have a plus lo that we need to get rid of over here. So we're going to say it's adding, the inverse of that is subtraction. I'm going to subtract lo, and I'm going to subtract lo. P and lo are not like terms. So I'm going to have p minus lo equals ab. And now I need to get a by itself. A and b are being multiplied together, so the inverse of that is division. And again, p minus lo all gets the division bar under it, and I divide by b on both sides. The b's cancel out, and I'm left with a equals p minus lo over b. And there's my final answer. That's all, guys. Good luck.